far as the road's quite nice here. Supposed to hoot on corners, but I forgot. Horn, supposed to honk the horn. Hoot is not a good word. Now here I know it's slushy, but I can't see a bloody thing. It went straight through the puddle. Oh, wash the wheels off a bit, be a good idea. That was intended, I promise. I was changing lanes. It's an advanced case of don't look where you are. Except that if you don't look where you are, you hit the biggest bumps ever. And that's not the ideal option either. My bike would love this road. Actually, it's pretty jolly chilly down here, I must tell you. As I was saying, thank heavens for balance. It's actually quite easy to balance on this. It doesn't have the height. Can't see a bloody thing because my glasses are dark, and the sun's in my eyes, probably in your eyes too. So all you do is you kind of aim upwards and pray. Here comes the mud, which we want to avoid at all costs. Falling off here would be an unconscionable bad idea. Even my UK global health card wouldn't really work. I'm of the opinion. Oof. Hey, my hands are frozen. I brought gloves and promptly packed them, so. Imagine bringing your Ducati down here. That's pretty much the equivalent of that. That would teach you balance. Well, either would teach you balance or how to fly. I hope you're getting this. I've got a big grin on my face.